Suspects. Arrested. Locked in. They can't talk, can't coordinate, but the choice each of them makes right now will decide both of their futures. This is the story we'll follow for the next few minutes, because hidden inside it is one of the most powerful ideas in economics: game theory. Game theory, developed by John von Neumann and Oscar Morgenstern, and later expanded by John Nash, studies situations where your best move depends on someone else's move too. Our two suspects are the perfect example, because they're not just making a choice, they're making a bet on what the other person will do. The dilemma. Each has two options: stay silent or betray the other. If both stay silent, light sentence for both. If both betray, heavy sentence for both. If one betrays and the other stays silent, the betrayer walks free and the silent one takes the fall. Sitting alone, each suspect thinks it through the same way. Whatever the other person does, I'm better off betraying. If the other stays silent, betrayal sets me free. If the other betrays, I need to betray too, or I take the full punishment alone. The twist. So both suspects betray each other. Both get the heavy sentence. Even though staying silent together would have been the better outcome for both, individually rational choices led them to a worse result together. That locked-in outcome where neither suspect could improve their situation by switching alone has a name: a Nash Equilibrium. Now here's why this story matters beyond the interrogation room. This exact structure, two players, competing incentives, a safe choice that backfires collectively, repeats everywhere. Companies locked in price wars, countries stuck in arms races, even coworkers competing instead of collaborating. Different rooms, same trap. So next time you're facing a decision where someone else's move affects your outcome, ask yourself, am I the suspect who stays silent or the one who betrays? We hope this video has helped you to understand the concept on game theory. A subscription would help out a ton. See you next time, and have a good one.